Okay, so before we start, as usual, we'll have some discussion on what we did in the last class. So, yes, so can you tell me what did we discuss and what you can remember that we did in the last class?
Creating complete document,
Creating
a complete document
a
in
complete document. Okay. So in that, what are the things we discussed? Creating a complete document. So in that complete document, what are the main contents that we discussed, that we covered?
heading,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Create the page border and picture.
Okay. Creating page border pictures. Okay. What else?
headings, subheadings,
Headings, subheadings.
inserting captions for pictures and table,
Okay. Inserting captions for tables. So let me open it and let me show you. Is my screen visible for everyone? Okay. So this is the document we created last week. Okay. I told you that this is something extra that we are doing. Okay. If you all can remember, I told you that we did something extra. Okay. Which is very important when it comes to creating a full document. So adding page borders, cover pages. Okay. So I show you how to add cover pages, then the content pages, and then the table of tables, table of figures, and then we saw like how to add page numbers, and someone asked question how to add a picture to the footer, that one, and how to add headers, then how to like style the headings we have, then image captions. Okay, then table captions, all those things we covered in our last class. So this is about the creating a whole document. So this, I think this might be helpful when you are creating your any kind of documents that might be office work or school work, any assignments you're doing in college. So these are the things you should follow and cover up. Okay, so any doubts or questions regarding this? Do you have any issues, any doubts? Yes, any doubts or questions, anything you all want to get cleared, anything extra that you want to know? Because from today we are going to start a new module. So please, if you have anything, you can drop in chat box or you can unmute and ask. So මේක තමයි අපි full ඒ කියන්නේ ගිය සතිය ක්ලාස් එක අපි බලුවා කොහොමද full document එකක් හදන්නේ කියලා. cover page, අනික contents page, ඒත් එක්කම table of figures, මේ වගේ headers photos දාලා කොහොමද complete document එකක් හදන්නේ කියලා. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ college එකේ assignments නැත්තම් මොනවා document එකක් හදන්න ඕනේ නම් මේක තමයි හරි ක්‍රමය. කියන්නේ cover page එකක් දාලා contents page දාලා හදන්න එක. දැන් අද අපි ඇවිල්ලා අලුත් software එකක් ඉගෙන ගන්නට යනවා. ඒකට කලින් ඔයගලන්ට මොන හරි දෙයක් ඒ කියන්නේ මොන හරි doubts confusions මොන හරි තිබ්බනම් අහන්න පුළුවන්. என்ன சரி doubts இருந்தா கேளுங்க. இந்த டாக்குமெண்ட் செய்யற இதுல இல்லாட்டி வேர்ட்ல என்ன சரி உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா தெரிஞ்சுக்கொள்ளணும்னு இருந்தா என்ன சரின்னா கேளுங்க. நாங்க இன்றைக்கு வேற புது சாஃப்ட்வேர் ஒன்றுக்கு மூவ் ஆக போறோம்.
Excuse me, sir. சார் இப்ப இது லெட்டர் ஹெட் உண்டு இப்ப லோகோ நடுவுல ஷெடோ மாதிரி இது பண்ணி லெட்டர் ஹெட் உண்டு அடிக்கிறேன்னு சொன்னா அது எப்படி இது பண்றேன்னு கொஞ்சம் சொல்லி தரீங்களா?
Okay. Yeah, usual letterheads. Okay. So the question is, she is asking how to create a letterhead in MS Word. Okay. But usually letterheads are done in Photoshop or any other like editing tools. But in MS Word also you can do it. Now I'll say you want to put a logo in the center, and then you want to put certain information. So it depends how you are doing it. Okay. Either you can put the logo in the header part. Okay, let's say I go to downloads. And this is a logo. Okay. You can change to square or whatever you want, or as top and bottom something, and align. You can say middle. Oh, not that middle. And take it somewhere here. Okay. Then you can put some text also. Okay. Like your address and all those things, you put it here, or a line or everything. Then when you come out of the header, see, it will be in light color. Okay. If you want to make it more dark and all, so you can see here. You have informations like header. So inside header, like you can go for any other header informations, and all these options are available for you. Okay. Then you can go to format. Then you can increase the color. You can add any other options you want here. Give me a minute. Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, මේ මට ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එකක් හදන්න තියෙනවා මේ ඔෆිස් එකේ.
Uh-huh.
ඒ කියන්නේ මම කලින් කරලා තියෙන ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් දැන් මට මතක නැහැ.
අද අපි PowerPoint තමයි ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ. අද මේකට පස්සේ අපි PowerPoint software එක ගැන තමයි බලන්න යන්නේ.
හොඳයි sir.
Okay. Right. So you can add a logo to the header and you can do the stylings that you want. Or else what you can do is same thing. You add an image. Okay. You add the logo. Okay. That you want. It can be any place. Okay. It can be any place. On top or wherever you want. Okay. Change it to top and bottom or whatever the alignments you need, put here. I'll say this is the exact center you want. Okay, I'll delete this. Okay, you can take it like this or else. Top and bottom. Now, if you want to adjust the alignment, you can adjust from here. You can adjust it. You can take the okay. So after the image, you can put all the text and everything here. Okay, down. So it depends on you how we are doing it and how. Then you can go to format. You can add shapes if you want. Okay, see whatever the shapes. Will say you want a black border. or you want a border separately like this, you can put. Then picture styles will say, you said you want this shadow and all, so you can go to shadow, you can add image shadows, like what other kind of shadows you want. Then reflections, so if you want any particular reflections, so glow, so those kind of effects. Just like a document, you're going to put some things in the header part, and then in the footer part, and you're going to work with it. So that's it. But mostly we'll be working like this. You put it inside the header, and then you type the things, you make it dark black. Okay, then you make the image dark. So that's how you work. Clear?
envelope type කරනකොට කොහොමද සර් කරන්නේ?
envelope එකක් type කරනවා නම් මෙහෙමයි. දැන් ඔයාට ගිහිල්ලා layout එකේ size එකේ මාරු කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාට ඕන size එකට. Okay, you can change the size of the document according to your wish. Letter, talboid, legal, statement, or whatever here. Or you can go to more paper size, and you can even give your own paper size. See, here you can select anything. You can say custom, and you can give the exact envelope size, and you can do the typings. Okay. But if you want to print it to an envelope, you have in mailings, we have something called start mail merge. Okay, so here we have envelopes. Here we have separately envelope. So that's a separate story. See, envelope, you can select delivery address, from address, everything, size, and click OK. So now you can see envelope. This is the envelope. So you type everything here, wherever you want. The envelopes. You can put whatever the envelope size. See, B4, C3, these are envelope sizes. See, US letter or custom size. So where you have to come, mailings, and then you start mail merge, or you click envelopes. So it will change to envelope size, whatever the size you put. Labels. So you can adjust from address, and it says auto. You can put whatever the address you want, and then you type here all the details here and this place. See, and you can move this. Understood? Clear?
Yes sir.
Anything else? So those are the two things. This one, letterhead, is up to you how you are going to do it, because you open a Word document, you put the logo on top, you put your text, you edit it according to your design, and you do it. Or you can take from layer, like any templates. So if you want to type this one envelope, so you have to come to mailings, and then you have envelopes option. You click, you select the size of the envelope. Okay, then you adjust the delivery address and return address via the places. If you want, it says auto, but if you want to give your own indents, you can give that, and click OK. So here you type the from address, and here you put the to address in this box, and then you can print, you can do all those stuff as you want.
සර් අපි document එකක් හදනකොට page numbers auto යන්න මේ දාන්නේ කොහොමද සර්?
ඒක මෙහෙමයි. දැන් මේක කියනකොට document එකක් කියලා layout size letter. හරි, මේකනේ document එක. කියන්නේ මේ document එකේ pages 4ක් තියෙනවා දැන්. Okay, දැන් ඔයා පළවෙනි page එකේ නැත්තම් කොතන හරි ගිහිල්ලා insert option එකේ තියෙන footer කියලා. footer ගිහිල්ලා ඔයාට page numbers තියෙන footer එකක් select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, you can select a footer which has your name and page number, or else there is option called page number. You go for this, bottom of the page, top of the page, current position, wherever you want. I'll say bottom of the page, and I'll select this. Okay, sorry, පළවෙනි page එකේම ඒක මම දැම්මද. Okay, I put it in the first page, but when you go to the second page, see 2, 3, 4, all the things and pages. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So any other doubts, guys? So I'm getting good questions. Hope that will be helpful for you all. Anything else?
சார் அந்த லெட்டர் ஹெட்ல நீங்க அந்த லொகோ போட்டு சொல்லி தந்தீங்க தானே அந்த மிடில் நடுவுல வந்து அது ஷெடோ பண்ணி பெருசா விளங்கும் தானே அது
நடுவுல
எப்படி போடுற
நீங்க இங்க நடுவுல சொல்றீங்களா?
ஓ ஓ ஓ ஓ
ரைட் ரைட். அது வந்து இது வாட்டர்மார்க்னு சொல்றேன். ஓகே.
ஆ ஆ
டிசைனுக்கு போயிட்டு you go to the design tab, you have option called watermark. Okay, you have option called watermark, and then you go for custom watermark. So here it says text. If you want a text, some letterhead will have text like confidential. Okay, you can put that. If you want picture, select picture watermark, select picture. Yeah, I'll select from my computer the same logo. Okay, I say auto wash out, or here you can select what is the size. You can make it 100% big or whatever, and I'll say apply. Can you see the logo here?
ஓகே சார் தேங்க்யூ
Right. So that's how you do it in watermark. Then you can make it 100%. So exactly it will match 100%, the size of 100%. See, it is too big now. Auto, right.
සර් අපි සමහරක් වෙලාවට ඩොකියුමන්ට් එකක් මේ කොපි පේස්ට් කරගත්තාම මේ print area එකට මේ වැඩියෙන් තියෙන වෙලාවල් තියෙනවනේ මේ ඩොකියුමන්ට් එකක් හරි එතකොට ඒක print area එකට මේ adjust කරගන්න ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනව නේද
තේරුණා මට මොනවද?
දැන් අපි ඩොකියුමන්ට් එකක් කොහෙන් හරි කොපි පේස්ට් කරගන්නවා අපේ මේ Word එකකට
Okay.
ඒකට සමහරක print area එක මේ Excel වල හරි මේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට Excel වල එහෙම වෙනවා print area එකට වඩා වැඩි දැන් ඊට පස්සේ අපි ඒක මේ print area එකට select මේ adjust කරගන්නේ කොහොමද සර්
දැන් මෙහෙම document එකක් තියෙද්දි දැන් ඕගොල්ලන් print ගියාම හරි print option ගියාම දැන් print option එක පෙන්නනවා මෙතන. හරි මෙතන ඕගොල්ලන්ට settings තියෙනවා print all pages ඔක්කොම print කරන්න ඕනේද කොහොමද කියලා. print one sided the 8 option එක. අනික orientation. ආයේ මෙතන තියෙනවා margins. දැන් A4 sheet select කරාම හරියට A4 sheet size එකට එනවා. ඒකත් එක්කම මෙතන තියෙනවා normal margins කියලා. මේක ඔයාට narrow margin. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් margin තියෙන ටික ඔයගලන්ට අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන්. narrow margin මේව කියන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් custom margin කියලා ඔයගලන්ට margin ටික adjust කරගන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් වෙනම page setup කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා. මේකට ගියාම ඔයගලන්ට අර මේ width height අර margins ටික කොහොමද adjust කරන්නේ top දැන් 1 inches නේ තියෙන්නේ. ඒක ඔයගලන්ට 0.5 දෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. Okay. Then මේක paper setup එක. මේක layout එක. හරි? මේ විදියට ඔයගලන්ට edit කරගන්න පුළුවන් Word එකේ. ඔයා කියපු විදියට මේ Excel එකේ පොඩ්ඩක් එක වෙනස්. ඔයා select කරලා ඔයාට margin ටික adjust කරගන්න ඔක්කොම පුළුවන්. ඒක අපි Excel ඉගෙන ගන්නකොට අපි ඒක කරමු. Okay?
ඕකේ සර් සර් තව අර අපි දැන් ඩොකියුමන්ට් එකක් ටයිප් කරගෙන යනකොට සමහරක් page එකක් අපිට ඕන වෙනවා මේ අපි divide කරන්න හතරට ඒ ඩොකියුමන්ට් එකේ එක තැනක එක page එකක්
එක page එක හතරට divide කරන්නද?
divide කරන්න ඕන වෙනවා දැන් ඒ වගේ වෙලාවකදී කොහොමද සර් කරන්නේ
දැන් එක page එක හතරට divide කරනවා නම් ඔයගලන්ට ගොඩක් options තියෙනවා. ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් creative විදියට හිතන්න ඕනේ. එකක් ඇවිල්ලා ඔයාට මේ table එකක් දාලා okay insert ගිහිල්ලා table option එකක් දාලා දැන් කියනකො මේ හතරක් කියලා. මේ හතරම දාලා ඔයා table එක ලොකු කරනවා මෙහෙම. full page size එකට ඔයාගේ table එක ඔයා මෙහෙම ලොකු කරගන්නවා. okay right ඒකට පස්සේ ආට මොනවද කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ contents හතරම දැම්මට පස්සේ contents හතරම දැම්මට පස්සේ border option ගිහිල්ලා okay no borders දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ full table එක select කරලා කියනකො මම නිකන් information මෙහෙම දෙනවා කියලා. I'm just typing, okay? And here also I'm just typing things. Okay. And I'm typing things here. Okay. Then you go to borders and you say, oh, wait, I have to select the full table. Go to borders and say no borders. Now you can see there you will have 4 different contents, but inside one page. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Or else you can go for columns. There are so many options. This is one of the option that I use. Any other doubts?
අපි සමහරක් වෙලාවට මේ ඇග්‍රීමන්ට් එකක් වගේ හදනකොට දැන් අපි ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරගන්න එහෙම ඇග්‍රීමන්ට් එකක් එහෙම මේ අපි ඒක මේ PDF එක Word එකට කන්වර්ට් කරගෙන මේ අපිට ඒක ඇඩ්ජස්ට්මන්ට් එක මොන හරි කරන්න ඕනොත් ඒක කරන්න එතකොට page setting එක අවුල් වෙනවා. අපි මොන හරි ඒකට මේ ඉන්සර්ට් කරන වෙලාවට ඒ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. දැන්
ඔව්
අපි
ඒක ගොඩක් දුරට එහෙම වෙනවා. මෙහෙම ඔප්ෂන් එකක්. දැන් ඔයාට ඔරිජිනල් Word document එක තිබ්බා නම් ඔරිජිනල් විදියට ඔයාට edit කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක දන්නවනේ සාමාන්‍ය විදියට open කරා edit කරා. Okay. දැන් එහෙම නැතුව දැන් ඔයා PDF එකක් download කරලා ඒක convert ඒක ඔයා convert කරනකොට අර 100% convert වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක පුළුවන් දැන් ඔයා Word එක තමයි PDF එකට convert කරන්නේ. ඒත් ඒක හැම convert කරනකොට සමහර දේවල් ඇවිල්ලා අර alignments ඔක්කොම අර නිකන් movement විදියට තමයි convert වෙන්නේ. එතකොට ඔයා adjustment කරනකොට පොඩ්ඩක් එහාට මෙහාට වෙයි. ඒක page settings වල නම් ඔයාට adjust කරගන්න බෑ. අර manually ඔයා පොඩ්ඩක් හදා ගන්න ඕනේ උඩට පල්ලෙහාට දාලා එහෙම. Do you understand? That is a problem with converting.
ඔව් සර් අපිට ගොඩක් වෙලාවට එහෙම වෙනවා ඔෆිස් එකේ අපි මේ ඊට පස්සේ page numbers උත් අවුල් වෙනවා.
Page numbers අවුල් වෙයි. අනික images නැත්තම් paragraph මේ image
paragraph
caption
ගොඩාක්ම මේ අවුල් වෙනවා paragraph.
paragraph. ඒක ඔයා ඇවිල්ලා මේ දැන් මේ page එකේ මොන හරි paragraph අවුල් කියලා මෙහෙ හදුවා නම් උඩ page එකේ මොන හරි අවුල් වෙනවා. Have you come across that error?
නෑ ඒක දැන් මම එහෙම වෙලා තියෙන සමහරක් වෙලාවට ඇග්‍රීමන්ට් එක සයින් කරන්න යන්නේ හෙට දාගෙන සමහරක් වෙලාවට අද රෑ අපිට එහෙම මේ සෙට් කරගන්න බැරි වෙනවා ඇග්‍රීමන්ට්ස්. ඒ වගේ වෙනවා සර්. දැන් එතකොට මුළු ඇග්‍රීමන්ට් එකම අපිට අලුතෙන් ටයිප් කරන්න වෙනවා.
Right. ඒකට මෙහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයා agreement එක දැන් PDF එකේ ඉඳලා Word එකට convert කරගන්නවානේ. convert කරපු Word document එකේ ඉඳලා ඔයා අලුත් Word document එකට paste කරගන්න ඕන information ටික විතරක් control C දැන් මෙහෙමනේ equals rand කියනකොට දැන් මේක ඔයා copy කරා කියලා මේ whole paragraph එක ඔයා copy කරා paste කරද්දී okay paste කරද්දී නිකන් control V press කරන්න නැතුව right click කරලා මේ බලන්න text විතරක් කියලා තියෙනවා keep text only formatting ඔක්කොම delete කරලා text එක විතරක් copy කරනවා මේ විදිහට ඔයා copy paste කරගන්න එතකොට format ඔක්කොම නැති වෙලා හරියට මේ copy වෙනවා
Thank you sir.
Okay. So anything else? So if you all have something like see valuable things that come across when you are facing, so I can teach everything, but the things, important things will come across from your experience. So if you have anything you ask, the same experience I would not have got, but I can help you in certain ways. Okay. So help you in certain ways how to work, or we can search and do also, no worries. Okay. So any other things you all have?
සර් ක්ලවුඩ් එකේ මොනවා හරි අපි මේ සේව් කරනවා නම් ඒ වගේ ඒවා කොහොමද සර් කරන්නේ?
ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාගේ local computer එකේ තියෙන එක cloud එකට දාගන්නද?
ඔව් ඒකේ තියෙන ඒවා යූස් කරන්නේ ආයෙත් කොහොමද? ඒ ක්ලවුඩ් එක කියන එක ඒක ගැන දන්නේ නැහැ සර් මම. ඒකේ මොනවද
cloud
බෙනිෆිට්ස් ඒවා සිකියුරිටි පැත්ත.
cloud කියන්නේ දැන් ඔයාට මොනවාද email තියෙන්නේ? Gmail ද තියෙන්නේ නැත්නම් Outlook ද?
Gmail තියෙන සර්.
හරි. Gmail එකේ දැන් we'll say you go to Gmail, okay? So here when you log into Gmail, දැන් Gmail එකේ log වෙලා මෙහෙම mail එකේ ඔයගොල්ලන් ඉන්නකොට, okay? එතකොට දැන් මේ Google Apps කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒක click කරාම මෙතන තියෙන option එකක් drive කියලා. See, drive. I'll just change it to let's say submit to Hussein. Okay, this is my email that I use for you all have sent me the task and all. Okay, I'll say I'll click here. I'll go to drive. Then make any drive option එක. Okay. ඔයාට දැන් මේක ඇවිල්ලා වෙනම software එකක් download කරලා sync කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැතුව දැන් මේකට ඔයාට drag and drop කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් බලමු Wellington. Okay, the work we are doing. Okay, badge 8 and 9. Drag and drop it. So it will get uploaded in the drive. Right, see, it is uploaded. Okay, one upload completed. Then මේ document එක හරි මේ document එක ඔයා ඇවිල්ලා දැන් කියනකො අපි දැන් මොනවද කරන්නේ pen drive එකට දාලානේ අරන් යන්නේ. Okay, that's how we do, right? We copy something to pen drive and we take it. Am I right? So what you do is if you upload it to the drive, okay, now it's uploaded in the drive. You go to your office without a pen drive or anything, you log into your email, you go to the drive, then this will be available. Okay, then you can work online with it. Okay, all the changes will automatically get saved. All the changes will get automatically saved. See, you do something here. Okay, you do something here. Let's say you put some text. You put some text here. See, you put some text here, then it will automatically get saved. See, saving, save to drive. Then you go to a home. Okay, you go to drive and you check this document and download. All the editings and everything will be downloaded. Okay, so not only documents, okay, not only documents, you can use anything. Okay, you can use anything, like you can put images or everything. Now, if you take, I am using Outlook email and I have Outlook, that means OneDrive. OneDrive is the cloud word, you can Google Gmail option, Google option එක තමයි Google Drive. Outlook ඔයා use කරා නම් OneDrive කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා. දැන් මේකේ මම දාලා තියෙනවා OneDrive කියලා app එකක්. You can install in your computer. Okay, the OneDrive app. And what I have done is in this OneDrive app, okay, let me, I opened OneDrive now. Right. See, OneDrive app I have installed and I have logged in. Now what it will happen is, okay, you can you see all the things have a cloud mark. Whatever I put it in desktop, okay, whatever I put it in desktop, it will get uploaded in my drive. See, all show stick. Okay, now if I do any changes here in my computer, if I do any changes here, okay, and let's say OneDrive, I'll save. Okay, and I'll close. You can see it is here. It is changing to sync mark. And now after it is uploaded, it will show a tick. Okay. After it is uploaded, it will show a tick for me. So here you can see badge 8 and 9 uploaded 13 seconds ago. So it is uploaded now. Okay. So the benefit here is මොනාරි දැන් මම කම්පියුටර් එකේ තියෙන ડોකියුමන්ට්ස් ඒ කියන්නේ ඩෙස්ක්ටොප් එකේ තියෙන විතරක් මම සින්ක් කරලා තියෙනවා. දැන් මේ ડોකියුමන්ට්ස් ටික මොනාහරි මම චේන්ජස් කරලා දැන් මම ලැප්ටොප් එක තියලා ගියා. හරි මම ඔෆිස් එකේ ගිහලා ලොග් වෙන්න ඕනේ නම් මම ටග් ගාලා මගේ Outlook එකට ගිහිල්ලා okay. Let's see. So see, this is my Outlook email. Okay, I have logged in. Now I will say I went somewhere. I kept my laptop and everything. I have synced it. Okay. Now here I have option. Sorry. Here same like I have all the apps of Outlook. I say OneDrive. I'll go to OneDrive. And in OneDrive, you can see my files. Okay. So when I scroll down, desktop is there. Okay, desktop. I'll go to desktop. And can you see all the folders that are available in my desktop is available here. Camera roll. Okay, you have camera roll. Canada documents. Conestogo is there. CV is there. IELTS it's there. Wellington it's there. Wellington exam papers it's there. Well, say now I want access. I don't have my computer. I'm going to my office. I have to go to Wellington and then badge 89. I'll click this. So it is opening in Word. Okay, the online office, right? And can you see the OneDrive Word? I just edited them. Did you understand? So
දැන් අපේ ඔෆිස් වලින් OneDrive මේ මේල්ස් හදලා දීලා තියෙනවා ඔෆිස් එකකින් අපිට යූස් කරන්න කියලා.
okay.
ඔටෝ මේ OneDrive එකේ මේ නෑ මේ අපිට මේ හදලා තියෙන්නේ මේ ඊමේල් එක Gmail නෙමෙයි මේ Outlook.
Outlook,
එතකොට
okay.
අපිට මේ OneDrive එකට ඔටෝ සේව් වෙන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ අපේ ડોකියුමන්ට්ස්. එතකොට ඒවැ පාස්වර්ඩ් උත් එයාලා ගාව තියෙනවා අපිට ඔෆිස් එකේ ඉන්නේ කම්පියුටර් සෙක්ෂන් එකේ ඉන්නේ අපිට හදලා දීලා පාස්වර්ඩ් මේ Outlook එක. එතකොට අපි අපේ ડોකියුමන්ට්ස් ඔක්කොම ඒගොල්ලන්ටත් බලන්න පුළුවන් නේ සර්.
Oh, then
ඊමේල් අපේ Outlook මේ එකේ පාස්වර්ඩ් එක ඒගොල්ලන් ගාවත් තියෙනවනේ.
Oh, දැන් එහෙම මේ විදියට ඒගොල්ලන් ඔයාගේ PC එකේ ඔක්කොම auto sync තියෙනවා නම් මේම cloud දාලා මේම ඔක්කොම ටික් වෙලා ඒ කියන්නේ upload වෙනවා නම් OneDrive එකට එතකොට ඔයා computer එකේදී edit කරන documents අරවා මේව ඔක්කොම ඔයාගේ OneDrive එකට upload වෙනවා. දැන් කියන්නකෝ ඔයාගේ mail password එක ඒගොල්ලන් ළඟ තියෙනවා දැන් ඔයා කියන විදියට තියෙනවා නම් ඒගොල්ලන්ට ඔයාගේ mail එකට log වුණාම OneDrive එකේ ගිහිල්ලා documents ඔක්කොම බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්.
ඔව් සර් දැන් සමහරක් වෙලාවට අපි ඊමේල් පාස්වර්ඩ් වෙනස් කරත් ඒගොල්ලන්ට අප්ඩේට් එකක් යනවනේ.
ඒත් ඔයාගේ password එක update වෙන්නේ නැහනේ. දැන් ඔයා password එක මාරු කරලා ඒගොල්ලන්ට update එකක් යයි මෙහෙම තමයි මේ user ඇවිල්ලා password එක මාරු කරලා කියලා. ඒත් ඒගොල්ලන්ට ඔයා update කරපු password එක යන්නේ.
පාස්වර්ඩ් එකේ අප්ඩේට් එකත් එන විදියට ඒගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් නේද කරන්න.
ඒක මම හරියට දන්නේ නැහැ එහෙම password එක යයිද කියලා. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාට මේම කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මේකේ ගිහිල්ලා two factor authentication කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා. ඔයාගේ Outlook email එකේ ගියාම settings එකේ two factor authentication කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා. Okay. I don't know where it is. Okay. Exactly, I don't know, but I have done the settings. Okay, there is option called two-factor authentication.
සෑද ලෙසන් එක කරමු ඉඳන් පස්සේ අප
Okay, no worries.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So you can put the two-factor authentication. එතකොට ඔයාගේ mobile phone එකේ ඒක set කරාම okay security එකේ මේ තියෙන්නේ see your sign in additional මේකේ ඔයා බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් කවුද ඔයාගේ document මේ computer එකේ log වෙලා තියෙන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාගේ mail එක use කරන්නේ කවුද ඒ විදිහට ඔක්කොම check කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකේ two factor authentication දැම්මම නම් කවුරු හරි ඔයාගේ mail එකට log වෙනකොට ඔයාගේ phone එකට නැත්නම් ඔයාගේ mail එකට message එකක් එයි මෙහෙම තමයි කවුරු හරි ඔයාගේ computer එකට log වෙනවා නැත්නම් code එකක් ඒ code එක දුන්නොත් තමයි log වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So you can do those things. Understood?
Yes.
Right, okay. So yeah, like if you all have some valuable doubts and questions regarding the syllabus or anything extra at the end of the session, you can ask as you all did today. I'm happy for that. So how many of you have experience working with PowerPoint? Anyone have experience working with PowerPoint? All right. Yeah, so I am seeing like people raising their hand. Okay, very good. So PowerPoint is a software. Okay, a PowerPoint is a software which helps, or we call it as a presentation tool. It is called as a presentation tool. A software that helps to, okay, helps to make your presentation more easy and more like we'll say without a presentation slides or anything. If you are doing any presentation, okay, it will be just like a speech, just only words. We'll say I'm doing a class without these visuals. I stop the screen share and then I'm just telling, okay, everyone, today we are going to learn PowerPoint, that and this. If I do it without the screen share and anything, how boring it will be. Okay, boring, or even though I share, might be it's boring, but that's a separate story. But the thing is how difficult it will be for you all to understand. How difficult is it to get your attention or get your focus to the lesson. It's all difficult, right? Same thing now when you do a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, when you do a PowerPoint presentation, so if you didn't use a PowerPoint slides or anything, it is very hard to grab the attention from your audience. Okay, grab the attention from the audience. So today that's what we are going to focus on, a PowerPoint. So here you can select any of the slides. Okay, that means here you can select any of the slide types, but we'll go with blank. We can apply all these slides later. You go to blank presentation. Then at the beginning itself, it will take you to a PowerPoint slide called title slide. So here you have to give the title. We'll say today we are going to do a PowerPoint about presentation about how to presentation. Okay, subtitle, we'll say Hussein. Yeah, I'll say Hussein. Okay, this is my name. Okay, we'll say now if you want, you can put your badge. Okay, badge number 8 and 9, right? You all 8 and 9, something like this. Okay, So you put all the details in your group member's name, or if you are doing a company presentation, your company name, your designation, everything. So myself, I am a system manager or whatever. So today I am here to do these things. Right now our title slide is completed. Now you have to create a new slide. You go to new slide and you say you have title slide, and another one is called title and content. Okay, this is the mostly used styled in a or slide in a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, you give a, I'll say contents. So what are the contents we are going to cover is how to make PowerPoint slides, then how to design point slides, okay, how to design PowerPoint slides, then how to do a presentation and conclusion, reference. Okay, and then we have any questions. So this is the content. So in contents, you have to tell, okay, what are the things you are going to cover, the topics that you are going to cover in your PowerPoint. So that's called as contents. Okay. After this, I'll create a new. So we'll say you go with the title. It's how to make a PowerPoint slide. Okay, so this is the heading. So here you can put in point forms. Okay, open PowerPoint, and like that you can type in point forms. You can type in point forms. Or we have some certain shortcuts here. We have some certain shortcuts. You can add a table here. Okay, you can directly add a table. You can add a chart. Okay, then you can add a smart art. Okay, then you can add a picture, online picture, or you can insert a video as well. So you can do all these options here. Okay, you can type. Okay, you can type like this in point forms, and it will be in point forms. Okay, or else you can go to shortcut. We'll say you want to type and you want to add some images. You go to insert pictures. Okay, then I'll say from desktop, I'll just select this car image and make it small, and you put it in this corner somewhere like this. See? Okay, it's up to you. Okay, you can add this kind of things, so you can put the image here, and we are very closer to this. Okay, it's up to you how we are doing it. All right, so this is about the title and content slide. Then next we have section header. Okay, now when you are doing a presentation, okay, when we are doing a presentation, under one heading we'll have another section. Okay, now how to do a presentation is our main topic. So under this, now how to present, this is another topic. So we'll say in this section we'll see the tips and tricks of doing presentation. Okay, so this is about section. So you put only the heading, then you go for new slide, and you go for title, and you follow the other things. So that is called section header. That is called what? Section header. Now the next one is two content. Now we'll say under one topic you are going to talk about two contents. Okay, so new slide, under one topic you are going to two contents. Then මෙතන heading එකක් දාලා content දෙකක් එක්කෝ image එකක් දාලා text දාගන්න පුළුවන්. ஒரு டாபிக் கீழே ரெண்டு விஷயம் பேசுறேன். அது டெக்ஸ்டா ஐக்கே மேலும் இல்லாட்டி இமேஜ் ஐக்கே மேலும். இப்ப the habits of best presenter, we'll say this is your heading. So here you can put all the habits, right? Being normal, okay, Okay. Simple slides, smile, movement. Like this, you can put the contents, and here you can put the image of the best presenter, whoever it is. I don't know which one. Let's say this one. Let's say this is the image you want. You can put the way, or else here also you can put some text that you want. It's up to you. Okay, either image or text here. So that is called two contents. Then new slide, and the next one is comparison. Okay, we'll say you're going to talk about iOS versus Android. Let's say this side is Android and this side is iOS. Okay, or we'll say it is about iOS advantages and disadvantages. So you put advantages here and disadvantages here. So you can talk one heading, two different contents with headings. Okay, so that's it. And then we have title only. So if you have somewhere you say you want to thank you, and you put it to the center, and you can align to the middle, so it will come exactly to the middle of your slide. Then that's about it. Then blank, if you want to put a blank slide and you want to put a background image, or you want to insert an image and make it to the full size, so you can edit it according to your wish. Then content with caption, so here you put some text, here you put a title, and here you put a paragraph caption. You know what is a caption, right? You explain about this, and here you have the point forms. Then you have new slide again, picture with caption. So here you put a picture, caption, and a title. So these are the types of slides we have. So how many types of slides we have here? How many types? How many types of slide we have?
10.
3, 6, 9. Okay, we have only 9 types of slide. Okay, these types might change. Okay, might change according to your design that you are selecting. Sometimes it will be more, sometimes it will be less, depending in the presentation select பண்ற design பொறுத்து இந்த slides types வந்து கூடுறதுக்கு சான்ஸ் இருக்குது. 15 20 25ன்னு போறதுக்கு சான்ஸ் இருக்குது, இல்லாட்டி குறையிறதுக்கும் சான்ஸ் இருக்குது. Okay, it depends on your design. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන් select කරන design අනුවට මේක මේ දැන් මෙතන layouts 9ක්නේ තියෙන්නේ. මේක සමහර වෙලාවට වැඩි වෙන්න පුළුවන්, සමහර වෙලාවට අඩු වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ design මේ ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන් select කරන template නැත්නම් design අනුවට ඒක මාරු වෙනවා. Okay, clear? Right. Now, can anyone tell me now what is the layout type here? What is the slide type we have used here? Yeah, what is the layout type? Can anyone tell me? Two content. Very good. It is two content. Okay, here. Two content. Okay. Now we'll say this one, you want to change it. Okay, we'll say you have given styles. Think that you have given styles, you have given animations, colors, everything finalized. Okay. ඔක්කොම දැන් කරලා ඉවරයි. දැන් මේකේ edit කරන්න මොනවත් නැහැ. ඉතල செய்யறதுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே எல்லாம் edit பண்ணிட்டு நினைச்சுக்கோங்க, like background image எல்லாம் போட்டு. Now the person who gave the presentation, or the person as you are doing, you are feeling like two content is not something related to this. Two content මේකට හරියන්නේ නැහැ කියලා ඔයගොල්ලන් හිතනවා. Okay, then what to do? No need to delete it. You go to layout. Okay, you change it. Say comparison. See, it is changing. Title and content. See, you can put this here or you can even delete this. Okay, you go to layout. Then you will say content with caption. See, this became a caption. Heading is there, caption, and then content. Layout to content. See, now it is in to content. Understood? The same thing. If you want a new slide, you go to new slide and create a new slide. මේක වෙලා අලුත් slide එකක් ඔයාගේ presentation එකට insert කරන්න use කරන option එක. තියෙන slide එක. තියෙන slide එක ඔයාගේ layout එක මාරු කරන්න ඕනේ නම් layout option එකට ගිහිල්ලා ඔයාට ඕන විදියට layout එක select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මේකට match වෙන එකක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. இப்ப new slide என்ற option வந்து உங்களோட presentationக்கு புது slide ஒன்று insert பண்றது. layout option வந்து உங்கள்ட்ட கரண்டா இருக்கிற லேஅவுட் ஆப்ஷன்ஸை மாத்துறதுக்கு. Clear, understood? Clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, that's good. Right. Other than that, all other things are similar to your Word. See, format painter we have. This is a new part. Then if you want to increase, decrease the text, if you want to apply shadows, then you have strike through, then you have the character spacing here. See, you have character spacing accordingly, then case, change case, highlight, then here alignments and all the stuff. Then we have text direction. Let's say you want to change the direction of the text, you have that. See, you can change it to any options that you want. Okay, and then you have align text. Okay, then you have convert to smart art, then you have the insert shapes option, then arrange, quick style, shape fill. Will say you want to put something background color for this. See, you can quickly put from shape fill. Okay, shape outline if you want to put outline for that box, or shape effects if you want to put a shadow or something for that. See, all the options are available for you. And quick styles, so find and replace, all those things are similar to your Word one. Okay, then you have the insert option. You go to insert. Okay, just go to a new slide somewhere here. You go to insert. Okay, before everything, okay, before we go to the next tab, okay, now you can see thank you is in the 8th slide. It should be here or in the last one. Now this thank you slide, it is in the 8th place or as the 8th slide, but we have 3 more slides after thank you. So it should be in the last or here. What do you think?
Last.
Last. So what you do is double click or click and drag it to the last part. See, now it is in the last. Okay, well, say now this slide you want to put it to the second position here. So what you do is click, drag to the place that you want. See, now it is in the second position. Understood? So that's how you change the positions of the slides. You can move and do the things. Well, say now you want to delete this slide. You want to delete the 6th slide. You can press the delete key directly or right click and delete slide. Right click and delete the slide. There is option. I will say you want to copy this slide. Control C and you select somewhere and say Control V. It will get pasted after the selected slide. Okay. See, now I have selected 7th. The slide that I copied will come in 8th. See, 8th. So here the same one here, 5 and 8. Okay, you can do that. Or you can right click, duplicate slide. So the same contents will get duplicated. Understood? So that's how you insert a slide, you delete a slide, you move a slide. So all those options I have told you now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in that? Right, okay. Now here,
bar chart අපි දැන් bar chart මේ ස්ලයිඩ් එකක් හදාගන්න ඕන කොහොමද?
මොනවද තේරුණ?
අපිට දැන් progress මේ එක පෙන්වන්න බාර් chart වලින් මේ page මේ slide එකක් දාගන්න ඕන නම්
දැන් හරි new slide ගිහලා ආට මෙතන ඕන slide එක to content නැත්නම් title and content slide එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. ගිහිල්ලා දැන් මෙතනනේ chart option එක තියෙන්නේ. chart option එකේ ගිහිල්ලා දැන් ඔයාලට bar chart නේ ඕනේ. bar chart එකට ගියාම පළවෙනි chart එක select කරලා okay කරගන්න. okay කරාම මෙතන දැන් you will get, after clicking okay, you'll get Excel sheet. So here you have to put all the details. See category. Progress means will say I'll put the attendance of badge. Okay, badge 9, then badge 8. Okay, I'll say badge 10. Okay, I don't want the category 4. Series 1 will say girls and boys. Okay, these are the series. You can see whatever the series, it is getting changed here. Boys and girls here, badge 10, badge 8, badge 9, all those things. So do I need this series 3 here? Do I need series 3 and category 4? I don't need. So you are not going to delete it. Don't delete it. At the corner, or if when you come to the bottom right corner, okay, you'll have a blue color dot. Click that and decrease it. Now you can see series 3 is here, but not inside this blue color. But can you see series 3 here or in any part here? No. Same way we'll say category 4. Click this blue and take it up. Now is category 4 available? All right, we'll say here 5 girls, and here 7 boys are present. Here 8 girls and 4 boys only present. Say batch 10, only 5 girls and 5 boys. So you can see whatever the data you have changed here, accordingly it has changed. Understood?
yes sir.
Right. Then you close this Excel sheet. That's it. You can do that way. Or else you say home, you go to new slide, to contents. So this side you put your original table. Okay. This side you put all the details. Okay. And this side you put the chart for that table. You put the chart for that table. How you do? Let's say here, how many columns we need?
සර් දැන් අපි ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එකක් හදනකොට දැන් අපි මේ progress නම් එහෙම ඊට පස්සේ වෙන මොකක් හරි subject එකක් ගන්න එහෙම කරනකොට අපි මේ presentation එකේ මේ view එක color එක මේ දැන් page design ඒවා කොහොමද select කරගන්නේ subject එකට අනුව?
ඒ කියන්නේ ඔය chart එකේ දාන්නේ මේකේද?
නෑ සර් දැන් අපි දැන් මේ presentation page slides තියෙනවනේ මේ
ඔව් slides.
ඔව් දැන් අපි එහෙම තියෙනවද අපි මේ මොන හරි method එකක් දැන් අපි
ඔව් ඒක මේ අපේ design slide එක අපිට වෙන වෙනම select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. අර designing ටික මම කියලා දෙන්නම් මේකට පස්සේ.
ඔය slides වල මේ design අනුව ඒක use කරන මේ subjects තියෙනවද?
ඔව් එහෙම පුළුවන් ඔයාට. ඔයාට ඕන විදිහට design කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මම ඒක කියලා දෙන්නම්. ඒ පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Okay, now that's about how you add a chart. Now we'll say you have a big table. Okay, what you do is you copy the table, and when you insert a chart, when you get this Excel, rather than typing, you copy the table and paste it here. Okay, you copy the full table like this, Control C, and when you have the details, paste it here. So we don't have any details, so it is not showing. So if you have the details, you paste it here. Okay, now when you select the chart, it will show the blue color icon and take it to the exact your tables matching place like this. Then that's it. But since we don't have any information, so it is showing blank. So it's up to you. Okay, so that's one, then inserting table, then pictures, directly you insert like in Word document itself. Then online pictures, if you want to Google it, or if you want to use directly from online, you'll say Apple, okay, and you select this image and you say insert. You can see it will directly get inserted from the internet, okay. Then you have screenshot option, okay. So you can directly screenshot, but you have to make sure what is your background. Let's say I have opened this image in the background, okay. So it is in the background. I'm opening PowerPoint, screenshot, and I'll say screen clipping. Now the image of this only will be there. So I take a screenshot like this, it will get inserted, okay. For example, now let's say I'll close this. Now what is in my background? There's nothing, only my wallpaper and my screen. Now I'll say insert, screenshot, screen clipping. Now you can see it will take, I can take a screenshot of my screen. So you can see. So I can put the image like this. Okay. So that's how you take a screenshot. And then if you want to add a photo album, you can then shapes, any shapes, icons, 3D model, smart art chart. So the same option. Okay. So then text box, header and footer, word art, page number, date and time, all those options are here. See the slide numbers, date and time, you can include date and time. Okay. You can keep a date and time which updates automatically. That means we'll say you are doing a lesson for a school or somewhere. So you put update. So whenever you open the slide, the time and date will get updated. If you want fixed date, you should like whenever you open the slide, it should be the same date. Like we'll say before 10 years you made this, it should be 2013. Okay. So then it should be the same date until now means you put for fixed. Then you can select slide number and then you can go for footer. You can put by saying Fazal and apply to all or apply means only to this slide, apply to all means all the slides. So you can see the date, name and the slide number. You go to all the slides, everything will have in according to the order. Okay, so that's the option here. Then you can insert a video to your presentation. Insert, it can be online video. Online video means from YouTube or anything. You can just search from YouTube and then you can insert it, or else you can go to video on my PC, and then from your computer, we'll say you add the video here. You can see the video is added. Okay, you can then adjust it according to your wish. You can delete these things if you don't want. Click, delete, click, delete. So you can see now the video is there. Now once the video is added, okay, once the video is added here, you will get two things here, format and playback. We'll say you go to format, you can do color corrections, you can put a frame, okay, or you can reset the design, or you can put the frames or border designs that is available here. See, it is getting changed. And you can put a video shape if you want to put a shape something, and say you want to put like this. See, you can change the video shapes. Okay, video borders if you want any colors or anything, or you increase the border size. Okay, you select the design of the border, those things. And video effects like 3D, something like this. So you can select any of those things. So that is about styling, same like in Word. You go to playback, this is something new. Okay, now we'll say you want to cut this video. Now this full video, welcome to the workshop. It is okay, it is like 2 hours, the workshop that I did. Okay, for then here you can see it is 2 hours. We'll say you want only the middle part, we'll say only this 10 minutes. Then you go to trim video, full video is there. You select the green color from here, then red color, from here. We'll say this 10 minutes, or you can give the start and end time accordingly if you know the exact starting time and ending time, or else you select from here, click OK. Now you can see only that 5 minutes is added here. Only that 5 minutes is added here. Then here we have the video options. Now, when you are in the PowerPoint mode, we'll say you are in the PowerPoint mode like this. That means presentation view. When you go to the next slide, here you can see the video is there. You press the play button, it will play. What it should do for this window. Now you pause, you play. Right? It depends like that. Okay, it depends. Now you click the same, you go to playback option and you change this automatically. Okay, automatically in the sense you go to the slide. See, I'm moving to the next slide. Okay, I'm more. Did I click play? No, the video is automatically playing.
Close the window.
See, it should close the window. It is automatically playing. Okay, so that is automatic playback. Okay, I'll just make it. Then play full screen. When you play it, it will go for full screen. Hide while not playing. While it is not playing, it will hide. Loop until stopped. That means the video will play. Okay, and it will go here. When the video is finished, it will start from first again. Finish, start from first again. Until you press the pause button, the video will come here. Then come from first. Play again. From first. Play again. Until you stop the video. Until you stop the video. Then you have the option called rewind after playing. What will happen is your video will get played up to here. Okay. Up to the last. Then it will go backwards like this. Backwards. Then forward again. Backwards. Forward again. Backwards. Understood? That's the option of video. Okay, we'll say now you go to next. You say insert. Then you have audio. You can select audio on my PC and you can just put the audio here. Okay. And here also you have two options like format. You can apply any format. Then playback. So playback, you have an option called same like trim option is there. You can trim it. Okay, you can trim it, or else then same here, autoplay is there, automatically play across the slides. That means when you play this video from this slide and when you move to the next slide, still it will be playing. That is called play across the slide. Okay. Then loop until stop, the same option. Hide during show, rewind after playing. Play in background. That means if you put this in the first slide, okay, if you put something in the first slide, say audio on my PC, I might have a recording, sorry, a ringtone. Yeah. Say I put this, play in background. Okay. I start the slide. The audio is not showing, but the audio is playing. Okay, so that's about the background music, but we usually don't put background music. Now, if you are doing something for a, what to say, yeah, for a awarding ceremony or something, if you are doing, you can get use of that. So that's one option about audio there, or else, yeah, plain background or no style. So that's up to you. Right, home, then new, title and content, right, insert. So there is another option called screen recording, guys, but I think this is from Office 2016 and above. I'm not sure. I'm using 2019. Okay, so here there is option called screen recording. So you don't need a third-party software to screen record. You click this. Okay, you select the area to screen record. Let's say the whole area like this. Right, now you say record. So it will record. Now, whatever you are talking, okay, whenever I press this, okay, and whatever I'm talking, whatever I'm doing in the screen, I'm opening my computer, all these things, it will show. You can come to this stop and you can stop the recording, or else the shortcut key is Windows Shift and Q. Okay, Windows Shift and Q. You can press that. So the video will be added here. See. Now, whatever you are talking, okay, whenever I press this, okay, and whatever I'm talking, whatever I'm doing in the screen, I'm opening my computer, all these things. See, it is saved, recorded. Now, if you want to save this as a video, right click, okay, save media as, I'll put in the desktop, okay, so you can see, say Wellington. So let's say batch 10 inside this, I'll save media one, save. I'll go inside the Wellington batch 10 and media one. You can see it is saved as a video. Now what screen I'm opening? So usually we don't need a stop the recording, or we don't need a screen recording software if you have PowerPoint. All right. So those are the options up to in screen recording. I think we are almost time up. So do you all have any questions up to this? After insert we have completed. So next we have design, animations, so transitions and animations. So I will be covering it in the next class. So any doubts or questions regarding what we did today? I'll save this. So what's your batch number, guys? 9 and 10, right?
10, sir.
Batch 10.
10.
Okay. So I have saved the presentation. So yeah, homework, you can try all these things, adding images, adding charts, adding smart arts, adding tables, then adding videos, then trying screen record, adding audio files. You try all those things. So you do it. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. You try this, and if you have any other doubts or anything extra you want to learn, you please bring it up in the next class. So at the end, we'll do it. So next class, we'll focus on design, transition, and animations. So if you all don't have any confusions, any doubts or anything, it's good to wind up. So do you all have anything else?
සර් මට ටිකක්
වීඩියෝ
බලන්න.
අදහල් වරුන් තනේ.
What?
සර් මට
Two of you were talking.
ගන්න පුළුවන්
I
සර්
was
මේ
not here. Oh,
මට හෙට ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එකක් හදන්න තියෙනවා. ප්‍රෝග්‍රස්
uh-huh.
රිවිව් මීටින් එකකට ඒකට ස්ලයිඩ් එකක් මේ සිලෙක්ට් කරගන්න හොඳ ස්ලයිඩ්ස් වර්ගයක් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
ඒක ඔයා පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න ඔක්කොම ඉවර කරලා ගියාට පස්සේ මම ඔයාට කියලා දෙන්නම් හෙට කරන්න ඕනේ දේවල්.
Okay sir.
Okay. Other someone else was asking something. What is it? Video or something I heard. I couldn't see. யாரோ கேள்வி ஒன்று கேட்டீங்க எனக்கு விளங்கல. Okay then guys, so if you don't have any doubts or any other questions, so you can leave the meeting. So to submit the homework, you have to mail it to me. I think I have sent my mail to everyone. I think everyone will have my email. Submit to hussein@gmail.com. So I have given. So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for joining for the session and giving your valuable time. Until the next Sunday, you all take care and be safe. Have a good night, everyone. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Welcome and same to you.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night.
God bless you, sir.
God bless you.
හෝම්වර්ක් එක මොකක්ද සර් කරන් තියෙන්නේ?
හෝම්වර්ක් එක මේ දැන් අද කරපු දේවල් ඔක්කොම ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරලා ඒක මට සෙන්ඩ් කරා නම් හරි. ඔයාලට හෙට ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා කිව්වේ.
ඔව් සර්.